Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camper roof sealant is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of maintaining your camper trailer. A compromised roof seal can lead to leaks, water damage, and costly repairs, jeopardizing your adventures. This video will guide you through selecting the right sealant to ensure your roof remains watertight, protecting your investment and providing peace of mind on the road. Number 5. Beech Lane RV Roof Tape. Say goodbye to pesky RV roof leaks. This tape provides a permanent, weatherproof seal to keep your camper dry and protected. It's designed with a strong adhesive that bonds securely to your RV's roof, ensuring a long-lasting repair. Don't worry about sun or rain damaging it. It's built to withstand harsh weather conditions and prolonged UV exposure. This tape is simple to use, even for DIY repairs. Just clean the surface and apply it for a quick and effective fix. It permanently stops leaks, saving you time and money on costly repairs. Enjoy worry-free adventures in your RV. With a generous 4x 50-foot roll, you'll have plenty of tape to tackle even the largest roof repairs. What we like. If you need a permanent solution for those pesky roof leaks, this tape is your best bet. Its weatherproof design ensures long-lasting protection. If you're looking for a quick and easy fix, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Adhesion, incredibly strong. Tightly grips anything it touches. Moldability, very flexible. No problems here. Cleaning the area and applying the product was easy, and I don't have to replace the entire roof of the slide due to that crack. The main thing is to do the best preparation of the surfaces the tape will be used on as possible. Adhesion improves with more pressure applied to the tape. Number 4. Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating. This innovative coating provides superior protection for your RV roof. It's designed to be flexible, durable, and easy to apply. It reflects solar heat, keeping your RV cooler and preventing UV damage. This helps extend the life of your roof significantly. With over 1000% elongation, it prevents cracking and adhesion failure, ensuring long-lasting protection against the elements. Apply it just like paint, using a brush, roller, or sprayer. Multiple heavy coats create a waterproof membrane. It's water-based, with no solvents or VOCs. It's safe for you, your pets, and the environment. One 5-gallon pail covers RVs up to 30 feet. Remember to apply 2 to 3 heavy coats for optimal protection. What we like. This coating reflects the sun's rays, keeping your camper cool and energy efficient. It provides a waterproof barrier against the elements. If you value ease of use and a cool interior, this is the one for you. What people say. Coverage was as expected. 1 gallon gave 2 thick coats on my 6x12 trailer. Both primer and coating dried very quickly. Applied easily, seems to be durable. I used the primer and it stuck to the EPDM well. No bubbles. Seems to seal well and so far no leaks. The bright white color definitely makes the roof cooler. The product leaves a surface that feels, after it cures, similar to the original blended surface, not thick, spongy, stiff, etc. It even coated over flex tape and or previous patch material. Application material cured white, primer appears a little eggshell in color but seems to cure white and recovered white by the sealant. Number 3. Ziollo RV Flex Repair Sealant. This is the ultimate solution for repairing and maintaining your RV roof. It's easy to use and provides a long-lasting, watertight seal. We're so confident in its quality, it comes with a lifetime warranty. No other RV product offers this level of protection and peace of mind. Complete your RV roof restoration in just one weekend. It's the easiest and most efficient way to protect your investment. It's a non-hazardous, non-toxic formula that's safe for you, your family, and your pets. Use it indoors or outdoors with confidence. This sealant prevents leaks with its waterproof and breathable seal. It won't shrink and remains flexible for lasting protection. It's easy to apply and provides lasting results. It works on a variety of surfaces, blocking dirt, dust, and moisture. What we like. It comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. Its self-leveling formula ensures a smooth, professional finish. If you prioritize quality and environmental consciousness, this is a great option. What people say. Quality product. Waterproof and creates a tight seal. Clean white looks great. It's a lab sealant, so it filled in every crevasse and cured perfectly. Works very well, comes out like marshmallow fluff, self-levels very nicely. We were hit with a downpour 30 minutes afterward, and it didn't change the appearance at all. Number 2. Ziollo RV Flex Repair Sealant. This revolutionary silicone sealant creates a permanent, watertight barrier on your RV roof, protecting it from the elements. It's designed for superior protection and long-lasting performance. Our advanced silicone formula surpasses standard coatings. It forms a tough, flexible seal that keeps water out and your RV safe. We're so confident in it, we offer a lifetime promise. Travel worry-free, knowing your RV is protected for years to come. It's easy to apply, no primer is required for most surfaces. This saves you time and effort during the application process. One coat provides complete coverage, minimizing material use and application time. It's a cost-effective solution for long-term protection. It's highly durable and reflective, keeping your RV cool and comfortable even in extreme conditions. It's built to last. What we like. This premium silicone sealant creates a permanent, watertight seal. It's a one-coat application, saving you time and effort. If you want superior protection and a hassle-free application, this is the product for you. What people say. It is very thick and went on well, but was a little messy. 3.5 gallons covered the camper in one coat, nearly emptying the bucket. I'm pleased with how it looks and went on. It's easy to work with. Spreads very easily and levels out, spreads itself perfectly. We have a 8 by 38 foot camper and only needed 2 gallons for 2 coats. Goes on easy and smooth. Definitely mix it well, keep the lid on in between applications and leave bucket in the shade. Number 1. Weatherseal EPDM Primer. It's a rubber polymer, water-based roofing primer designed to improve adhesion on EPDM surfaces, ensuring a long-lasting seal for your camper or trailer roof. It's the perfect first step for a superior roof coating application. Weatherproof your RV roof and other EPDM rubber surfaces with ease. This primer creates the ideal base for your roof coating, protecting your investment from the elements. It's simple to apply using a brush, roller, or sprayer. Just make sure your surface is clean and dry for best results. For optimal performance, ensure all surfaces are clean, dry, and free from debris before application. This ensures a smooth, even coating. Use it with liquid rubber RV Smart Cleaner for best results. It creates a superior bond with liquid rubber RV roof coating, providing superior protection. This primer is your key to a long-lasting, weatherproof RV roof. It's easy to apply and provides superior adhesion for a superior finish. What we like. This primer improves the adhesion of your roof coating, ensuring a long-lasting seal. It's easy to apply with a brush or roller. If you want to maximize the performance of your roof coating, this is a must-have. What people say. I followed the instructions and both the primer and top coat worked exactly as described. Yes, the primer will be tacky, yes, if you touch it, step on it or disturb it. It's very sticky. That's its job. Creates a super sticky bond that produces superior results. This stuff is so sticky it's hard to not get yourself stuck to the roof when you go to put the RV coating on. It may not be cheap, but you can either take a chance on something cheap or else try this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.